One of the big benefits of the Strategy Factory Workshop is something I call the Strategy Factory Club. And if you give me a couple minutes, I can explain it to you, and you're going to be really blown away by how good it is. So the Strategy Factory Club is a really good way to multiply your strategy building efforts. So you build your strategies, and then by participating in the club, you can get a whole bunch of strategies in return. So I showed the picture with rabbits because you multiply quickly the number of strategies you have. So the way it works is, first you build strategies using the Strategy Factory concepts and the process. And so do everybody else who participates. They also build it the same way too. Then you submit it to me for evaluation. And so there'll usually be 10 to 20, sometimes even 30 other people submitting strategies in any given month. This runs 10 times a year on a monthly basis with a couple breaks in winter and summer. And everybody submits their strategies to me. They first make sure they're good. Then I verify that they're good. And then for 6 months, I run them on my trading system, on my computer, to make sure that the strategies are performing right. And then at the end of 6 months, we look at the strategies, okay, and compare it to what it did in the walk forward test. You know, did it actually do good or did it fail? That's what we determine. And once I determine that, the ones that are considered a pass, the good strategies, then automatically get shared with all the other passing strategies for that particular month. So in any given month, you might have 20 strategies submitted, and you might have 10 to 15 that pass all the criteria and the real-time performance. This is a 6-month real-time performance test, which that's the best way to test strategies, is in real time. And those strategies then all get shared amongst the group. So it's a great way to turn your one strategy into a whole bunch of extra strategies. And you might trade those, you might just use those for ideas, but in any event, you know that those strategies, one, were built with the Strategy Factory process, and two, that they've worked in real time for at least 6 months. So you're already starting out with some pretty powerful strategies to do with whatever you want. And that's what makes the club so great. We've had people who have passed upwards of 15 strategies already, and in return they've received over 100 strategies. What a great way to build up your strategy portfolio. And here's a picture. This was a live class I did a few years ago, but most of these people are also participating in the club on a monthly basis. So they're submitting strategies and they're sharing, and that's what you'll be doing. And it's free to all workshop attendees. It's just part of the Strategy Factory course. And I've looked around, I've never seen anything quite like what we do, where students submit strategies and we evaluate them and then share them. So this is a great way to get a lot of strategies fairly quickly. Okay, so that's the club. Now maybe you're interested in learning about how you can get the course for free, which is pretty cool. That's in the next video.